here is this app called Merlin Bird ID by Cornell Lab. So let's just install it. So this is one of the top bird identifier apps. And then you can just see how it works. Who is singing? Merlin Bird ID can tell you, and you can just identify birds. So if you like bird watching, that's definitely the app you can try. What's that bird? Ask Merlin, the world's leading app for birds. Just like magic, Merlin Bird ID will help you solve the mystery. Merlin Bird ID helps you identify birds you see and hear. Merlin isn't like any other bird app. It's powered by eBird, the world's largest database of bird sightings, sounds, and photos. Merlin offers 4 fun ways to identify birds, answer a few simple questions, upload a photo, record a singing bird, or explore birds in a region. So yeah, there you have it. So to create an account, just enter email address. Otherwise, you can just browse packs. So here you need to install some pack for your device. Like it's just of course it identifies your location. And then you just need to install either for Europe, for the whole Europe, just for Scandinavia, or for like the whole Western Arctic, just for the whole Europe and stuff like that. And then you can also see installed, and then basically you can just get photo ID. You can get photo ID and then sound ID, which is you can identify birds by sound. And then you can just get as close to the bird as you can, hold still and press record. You can also just go and explore birds. And then sort by family most likely alphabetic, and then just see all the different birds you can hear. So but then again, you need to install the pack. So that's basically the idea. It's pretty advanced app. Give it a try.